Here we have a Bobtot portable Bluetooth speaker. It's the Bobtot ET2240A wireless portable speaker. You can get it in black, blue, red, and green like this one. Its output power is 5 watts. Its power supply is DC 5 volts. Its operating range is 33 feet, and it claims to have up to 10 hours of playtime. I did notice that it has great reviews. For example, I bought this to use at my markets. I like the color, and the design is nice and compact, but it puts out a loud enough sound that I can hear it throughout the entire market. How big is your market? The charge is great. It lasts for the duration of the market, 5 hours, without dying, and it could probably go longer if needed. It also charges fast, so you're not waiting all day to use it again. This other person here says, great little Bluetooth speaker purchased because as I age, my hearing has diminished, and I don't like to disturb others while watching TV. Pairing with my TV was easy and quick. Sound is very good and clear. Mind you, I have not used this for music. They just use it for their TV. It has helped me enormously to catch everything said during a program without keeping the whole neighborhood awake. Seems to have a great battery. I leave it on for hours and haven't had to shut it off in the middle of anything yet. It's been a great buy, certainly worth the price. So let's open it and see what we have inside. We have a user manual, the speaker itself in a nice little bag here, and it looks really nice actually. It's pretty heavy too. There's a nice little pad on the bottom to set it down. There's a USB-C cable to charge it and a little wristband, a lanyard. Let's put these on because I like them. It feels really well made. It feels kind of premium, and the buttons are pretty big. They're easily identifiable. Now it claims to be waterproof and everything, but before we test that, I want to pair it. Long press the power button until you hear a prompt sound. That means the speaker enters Bluetooth pairing mode. I see a blue light flashing there, and there it is, Bobtot ET2240A. Would you like to pair? Yes, I would. And we're paired. It said connected. Here's Kiss from a Rose by Seal. Sounds good actually. First impressions are it sounds great. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so let's listen to a video on my other channel.
Happening in July in Survivor.io.
It's really loud. Voice sounds really good, really crisp. I also saw that someone said that they're using it as a computer speaker. Keep in mind, this is only like 20 bucks, 25 bucks, maybe even cheaper. And we can pause and play. So this bad boy here claims to be waterproof. It claims to have IPX7 waterproof. The shower speaker has IPX7 protection, which means that it can be submerged up to 30 feet for 30 minutes. I also saw somewhere that it said 3 feet for 30 minutes. So I don't know which one is correct, 30 or 3 feet. I'm assuming probably 3, I don't know. But I have a bucket full of water here that I use to wash my car, so it's kind of dirty. And we can test if it's waterproof. So let's play my video and dunk it in.
And all the way on the bottom.
It's getting muffled. What's going to happen to the USB-C port? Okay, I'm seeing a few bubbles. I can still hear myself talk. Can I turn the volume up? Yes, I can. So it's completely submerged in water and it's still working. It's a little more muffled with water in it though. So it sounds a little more muffled now with water in it. I don't suggest you dip it in water, and I don't know how long this will take to dry. But yeah, it's waterproof. It worked. It's still working. It worked underwater. It's like a little submarine. I totally suggest it. It sounds great. It's nice looking. It's waterproof. And it comes in multiple colors. I'll leave a link to it in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching.